What's up guys? It's your boy, Jory Dumato. Bali kabalo naman gawin mo guys sa atong buhaton ron kay last vlog na ako ang giingon kay stream and vlogging ra ang atong ikuan sa atong channel. So bali mag ML taron party with friends na sila Dennis, Justinbrylarnoco, Mark, Jade, marksarausa. Ambot kinsa na yung mga tao ipang invite guys. Then doon tag ML rin pampawala sa kasakit guys, no? Nabikugan ko siya na. Joke ra guys. Bali, gihuwat na to nila guys, kaya pa-invite na ko nila. So, kasi mga suko to ron guys. Kaya anak ko god. Kajot lang guys, mag-intro sa ako. Ako kajot lang gol mag-intro sa ako para sa atong streaming. So yeah, start na ta kay gatagad na to sila guys. Let's go.
The enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
What's up guys?
Don't want to dance? If only I could forget the past. Try to keep up, if you can. You don't want to dance?
Mag-farm sa ta. Mag-farm siyang gugma. Yay! Mag-farm ko siyang heart guys. Sukol ka? Ano, lalaban ka pa bro? Masasaktan ka lang bro. Huwag ka na lumaban bro. Sabi ko huwag ka na lumaban eh. Huwag ka na kasi lumaban bro, masasaktan ka lang yan. Huwag mo ipagpilitan yung sarili mo.
Has been slain. Death is nothing compared to my beliefs. No secret is safe from me. Want to dance? Initiate retreat! I have foreseen your fate. If only I could forget the past. Initiate retreat! An enemy has been slain! No secret is safe from me. An enemy has been slain. The stars are my beacon.
Medyo serious muna tayo ngayon mga pips.
Your team destroyed
Kahit
a
classic to,
turret.
kailangan natin mag-seryoso para hindi sila masaktan. Kailangan natin mag-seryoso para hindi sila masasaktan. Para hindi sila umasa.
Foreseen your fate. Try to keep up. If you
Oh, greedy mo pre ah.
Killing spree.
Napakalakas mo ah.
Your team destroyed a
Nasasaktan ka tuloy
turret.
kasi dahil sa kagreedihan mo.
No secret is safe from me. Ha! Mega kill! Killing spree! An ally has been slain. I have foreseen your fate. Unstoppable! Death mega kill! Shut down! Your team destroyed a turret. Ally has been slain. Try to keep up if you can.
Grabe, di mga tag-buff
Request
bay.
backup. No secret is safe from me. Request backup. Yeah! Ha! Hey! Yeah! Ho! Monster kill. Unstoppable. Shut down. Our turret has been destroyed. Ho! Death is nothing compared to my beliefs. I have foreseen.
Hello, good morning.
An ally has slain the turtle. If only I could forget the past. Death is nothing compared to my beliefs. Godlike! An ally has been slain. Launch attack! The stars are my beacon. You have slain an enemy. I have foreseen your fate. Legendary! You have slain an enemy. Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack! Legendary!
Saan ka na,
Your
Mia?
team destroyed a turret. No secret is safe from me.
Umuwi ka pa naman. Huwag ka na magpakita sa mapa, pre. Ako yung...
Death is nothing compared to my
Buti na
belief.
lang, pre. Magaling yung kasama ko.
Try to keep up if you can. Legendary! Resurrecting soon. Killing spree! An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Shut down.
Di bastos. Ay, sulod. Grabe.
Legendary!
Galing itong newbie.
The stars are my beacon. Shut down. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. If only I could forget the past. An enemy has been slain. No secret is safe from me. You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Wiped out.
Thumbs up, bro. Thumbs up, bro. If you like this video. Murag
You have been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. The stars are my beacon. An enemy has been slain.
ano, gol, dagan dire gol. Gol, dagan dire gol.
Enemy killing. You have slain an enemy.
Dagan, bro. Hahabulin kita, bro.
Your team destroyed a turret. Death. Nothing compared to my belief. An enemy has been slain.
Not terus.
If only I could forget the past. I have foreseen your fate. Shut down.
Tignan mo, pre. Ayaw lagi pagingana. Saktan. Kasakitan na ka.
Death is nothing compared to
Uy, paskila ko.
free. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. No secret is mega kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
Endgame.
Your team destroyed
Endgame
a turret.
Avengers. Yan ba yung gusto mo, bro?
Our turret is
Opo,
under
katanaw sa
attack.
endgame, bro. Kaya huwag kayo mag-spoil, bro. Bro, huwag kayo mag-spoil. Huwag ka na tatakbo.
Wiped out.
Huwag ka na tatakbo, bro. Lumaban ka para Para sa puso mo, bro. Huwag mo yan, masaktan ka lang.
Triple kill.
Ayan tuloy, namatay tayo.
Shut down.
Victory. Victory. What's up, guys? What up, guys? So, Jory na pod pa. So, nadaog niya tong classic game, guys. Then, kay review na ko ng video. Isa katong record niya. Bali, natay, I hope, dili ma-full storage at ng cellphone na para natay facecam sa atong streaming mo ni siya, guys. iPad akong gi-record. Di ba alright? And naluoy ko sa kontra guys kay sige sila gukod sa tawong dili sila love. Wag ganyan, bro. We can force someone to love us back. So maong ako karon medyo okay na ako gamay sa amo pagbula, guys, no. So I hope soon ma-okay ra gid. Salamat di kayo sa akong barkada, guys, kay na silang Dennis og silang Mark, Justinbryl and Jade ba to or apel mo guroy apel sa Jade. So salamat kaninyo, guys, kay gipaling nalingaw ko kay kaparty kanyo din kitabangan kanyo para mag-stream and mag-grow akong channel din o goal. Salamat kaninyo, goal. And so yeah, maoran derera mahuman atong kuan, guys, ato ang streaming. And I hope, and please nakalimutan ko, please follow all my social media accounts, guys, na dire Twitter, Instagram, and etc. So, and if kung na-enjoy ka sa akong streaming, guys, please smash the like button and subscribe, guys. Turn on the notification bell, guys, para ma-update ka og nakoy lain joke. Para ma-update ka, guys, og na ba koy mga latest para ma-update ka og nakoy latest videos, guys. Salamat kayo, guys, sa pag-suporta sa channel. Bye.